Hello, today we will guide you through how to compare multiple scenarios in ProjectionLab. Start by opening ProjectionLab in your browser. When the app loads, you'll land on the main workspace where example plans are available. Find the sample plan card. Beneath that card, open the three-dot menu. This menu is a quick way to manage a plan without opening it first. Choose Clone Plan. Cloning is the fastest path to scenario analysis because it duplicates every assumption, timeline, and account, giving you a clean baseline you can later adjust without touching the original. A setup panel will appear for the new copy. Click Create Plan to confirm. ProjectionLab now prepares the duplicate and walks you through a short sequence of confirmation screens. On each screen, select Continue. Because this is a clone, you don't need to change inputs right now. You're simply confirming that the copied settings look correct. Keep clicking Continue as prompted until you reach the end of the setup flow. It may be a few screens, just proceed steadily. If you notice anything that doesn't match what you expect, you can always circle back after the plan is created. When the setup is finished, the cloned plan is ready. You'll now see it alongside your original in the plans list. With two plans available, you can begin comparing outcomes. The idea here is straightforward. One plan represents your baseline, and the other becomes your alternate scenario. Review projections, charts, and key milestones from each plan to see how results differ over time. If your results look identical at first, that's normal. They should, because the clone matches the original until you decide what to test. This workflow is intentionally simple. Open the app, clone the sample plan, create the plan, and continue through the confirmation steps until done. From there, you can compare. A few quick tips to make the most of it. Focus on isolating one variable at a time when you're ready to experiment. Keep notes on what you intend each scenario to represent, and always retain the untouched baseline so you can measure the impact of any single change with confidence. That's it. You've created a duplicate plan and reached the point where side-by-side scenario comparison becomes possible. Thanks for following along, and enjoy exploring how your choices play out across multiple projections. As you compare, pay attention to long-term net worth trajectories, cash flow coverage during major life phases, and any retirement readiness indicators. Small input tweaks often compound over decades, so lean on the visuals to spot trends early.